In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a meeting in Outlook if you scheduled a meeting and plans have changed. This walkthrough will show you how to cancel it cleanly so everyone is informed and calendars stay accurate. First, launch Outlook from your desktop. Give it a moment to load your mailbox and calendar data. If Outlook opens to Mail by default, that's fine. We'll switch views in a second. If you aren't already signed in, log into the correct account. Make sure you're using the account that originally scheduled the meeting, because only the organizer can cancel a meeting for all attendees. If you're not the organizer, you can decline the invitation, but you won't be able to send a cancellation on behalf of the group. Next, go to the calendar view in Microsoft Outlook. Look for the calendar icon along the left sidebar or bottom navigation and click it. This view shows your events by day, week, or month, which makes it easy to find the meeting you want to cancel. Locate the specific meeting and double-click it to open the details window. You can scroll to the date, switch to week view for a broader look, or use the search box if needed. Once the meeting window opens, confirm you've selected the correct event. Check the title, date, time, and attendees, so you don't cancel the wrong one. If it's a recurring meeting, note the occurrence you're on so you know whether you plan to cancel just this one or the entire series. On the top ribbon of the meeting window, click the Cancel button. Depending on your Outlook version, it may say Cancel Meeting. If the meeting is part of a series, Outlook may ask whether you want to cancel this occurrence or the whole series. Choose the option that matches your intent. In the message body, type a brief explanation for the cancellation to keep attendees informed. Be clear and courteous. For example, you might write that the agenda has changed, key information isn't ready yet, or the discussion has been moved to a different forum. If relevant, include next steps or a note that a new invite will follow. Finally, click Send Cancellation. This notifies all attendees and removes the meeting from their calendars as well as yours. Allow a moment for the change to sync across devices. You'll see the event disappear from your calendar, and attendees will receive a cancellation message for reference. That's it. You've successfully canceled your Outlook meeting.